Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Adapt Sound function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for Adapt Sound? First we need to go to phone settings, then we need to go to sounds and vibration. Next we need to scroll to sound quality and effects, and here we have our Adapt Sound at the very bottom. So first of all we can simply turn it on using the switch. And when we open our options here, we have a few presets and an explanation what does this function do exactly. Of course, we can change some things here as well, and we can add our personalized sound profile if we want to. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.